The Mount Ludlow helicopter landing zone failed emergency operational use due to landing zone obstructions, causing a responding medical evacuation helicopter to abort an emergency landing in Vermont and circle while seeking a non-obstructed landing area. First responders immediately relocated to an empty parking lot 1/8 mile away, where the medical evacuation transport helicopter safely landed without the use of a landing area wingsock. The medical emergency patient was moved from the Ludlow ambulance and loaded onto the chopper, which provides a 15-minute timely and efficient flight to a New Hampshire trauma center.